Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Handbrake tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert video format into audio or MP3 or any type of audio file format using Handbrake or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you drag and drop your file into the Handbrake. So for that, I'm going to open up this folder and I'm going to use this particular file. I will just drop it right here. To allow the file to load up into the interface. Once the file is loaded up right here, next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you can see the file format here is in MP4 right here. It can be any video file format. It can be MOV, it can be MKV, it can be webmail, as the case may be. But this file format here is MP4. So how do we convert it to audio? Navigate to audio tab. So under the audio tab right here, go ahead and make sure. So under the audio tab right here, go ahead and click on your codec right here. You can simply choose any of the audio formats you are looking at right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use MP3 right here. Then work on the bitrate. You can choose quality right here, or better still, so I'm going to leave it in bitrate right here, and then go ahead and under here, then everything looks good right here. So you can see the bitrate and mono right here is selected. So next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here and make sure you go ahead and click on start encoding, and in a few seconds your project is starting to encoding right here, which simply means that you are getting this file as MP3 audio file format from the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Handbrake software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.